Ever pondered the possibility of making money while basking in the enchanting beauty of Thailand? Well, here are 20 intriguing ways to do just that. Start with teaching English. With a TFL certificate, you can teach English in Thailand and earn a decent income. Try your hand at travel blogging. Document your Thai adventures and monetize your blog through ads, sponsored posts, or affiliate marketing. Dive into freelance work. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr can connect you with clients from around the world. Participate in paid surveys. Companies pay for consumer opinions, and you can do this from anywhere. Consider photography. Sell your stunning Thai scenery shots to stock photo websites. Explore the possibility of becoming a scuba diving instructor. Thailand's rich marine life makes it a popular spot for diving. Venture into import-export business. Thai silk, spices, handicrafts could be lucrative goods to trade. Try house sitting. Many expats look for reliable people to take care of their homes while away. Engage in online tutoring. Use your skills and knowledge to teach students online. Consider becoming a fitness trainer. If you're into health and fitness, this could be a great fit. Try out bartending or waiting tables. Many beach bars and restaurants hire tourists on a short-term basis. Set up a small online business. Sell products or services that cater to the needs of fellow tourists. Become a translator. If you're fluent in Thai and another language, this could be a profitable venture. Try out affiliate marketing. Promote products or services and earn a commission on each sale made. Consider becoming a yoga instructor. Thailand's serene beaches make it an ideal spot for yoga retreats. Join a music band. If you play an instrument or can sing, there's a chance to perform in local bars or restaurants. Try out street performing. If you have a unique talent, why not show it off and earn some cash? Try out social media influencing. Use your following to promote brands and get paid. Consider becoming a tour guide. If you know Thailand well, you could give guided tours. Try out stock trading. It's risky, but with careful planning, it can be profitable. In a nutshell, whether you are an English teacher, a travel blogger, a freelance worker, a survey participant, a photographer, a scuba diving instructor, an import-export trader, a house sitter, an online tutor, a fitness trainer, a waiter, an online business owner, a translator, an affiliate marketer, a yoga instructor, a band member, a street performer, a social media influencer, a tour guide, or a stock trader, you can turn your Thai vacation into a money-making venture. So why not give it a try and make your next trip to Thailand not just a getaway, but also a profitable experience?